Well, welcome to another ride out with Black Dog Motor Travels. Back in the Sanford direction, headed through Dayborough. Just headed up the Dayborough Ocean View Mount Me road, heading towards Mullaney. Plan is then from Mullaney, hop across to Montville. Probably won't go through Montville village, but take the road down the mountainside to Palmwoods, and then ultimately Malulabar, Maroochydore sort of area, and then if we get time we might head up to Noosa as well on the coast road. Back street is, so there's a sign, Kenilworth is left and the tourist drive. I'm heading off right in a minute, that'll take me down towards Montville, but well, I should be going into Montville. I'll be heading past Montville and down, well, not into Montville actually, turning off Pride to Montville. At the mountain road that goes down the mountain, down to Palmwoods. Right, this is the coast road going up from, well, everywhere, from Maroochydore and all the small coastal towns. It's a few years since I've been up here, and it's pretty much up to this point been wall-to-wall development, so thank God some of this is protected land. This bit on the right looks like it's set aside. Otherwise you wouldn't see the sea on this road whatsoever. Bit of funky driving by other drivers on the way up here. Let's see if we can get it parking. Otherwise we could be back down this way looking for parking and paying. This geezer in front is looking for parking, and he's found one, which is good. Means I get it clear. Run. This is the headland now. Noosa heads going out to Noosa National Park. Because everybody is walking. But the car parking will be pretty much chock-a-block. There's motorbike parking at Noosa Heads, remember that, but scooters and other around. Chances of getting a spot will be crazily difficult, so here we go. This is the parking, and he's just snagged one, which probably means all this is pretty much taken up. Look at that. I don't think I can get much more over.
Looks better from above. Nothing's ever as it seems, yeah, except in that world that I dream of. Never gonna lose the ones I love. Never gonna lose the ones I love. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that world that I dream of. Oh, don't before you go, 'cause I